So what have people told you?
They said that there's full coverage and that you can't even tell that the donor area was extracted from, and that it looks real, it looks full.
I'm going to present Joe to you. He's 40 years old and they had a transplant of the crown, and he comes back 6 months after the transplant. Joe, if you turn around and let's have a look. And chin up, yeah. So this is what he looks like today, 6 months post-transplant. This is what Joe looked like before the transplant. You can see there's quite marked thinning in the crown area. And this is at 6 months. He does not take Propecia. However, he does use Rogaine about once a day. And for me, this is very good results for 6 months. You can see this is very good. And this is the donor, which is excellent. You can't really tell that he had a follicular unit excision procedure performed. So what have people told you?
They said that there's full coverage and that you can't even tell that the donor area was extracted from, and that it looks real, it looks full, and yeah.
And so you're happy, right?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Great experience overall.